Okay, here we go. I'm going to do a cold start to idle on my 94 Sportster XL. This is an 883 with a big bore kit, bored out to 1200. Doing a cold start to idle just as a sample so that I can get an opinion on how the idle sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the key. Give her a bit of choke. About half because it's fairly warm out here. Get a nice sample of how these long pipes sound as well. Idle on its own. But once it warms up, it idles. Okay, there we go. Pretty much idling on its own. Start to idle. I hope that